another video on my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for the song uJesu by Sindi and Ntombela. So we're in the key of A flat, right? And then the song has 5 sections that I'm going to take you through. So I know my videos don't usually have a high retention time, but then the reason why I don't just run through everything so it can be a quick video is so I can break it down for those guys who actually want to learn how to play. So I do apologize to those of you who don't really have a short attention span and can't watch the longer form videos, but then it's okay. Those who actually want to learn, they can go through it nice and slowly and be able to follow it as I'm playing. So let's go. Right, so the introduction goes like this. So when I was playing it in the cover, I used 2 hands, but 1 hand, but you can use 2 hands. So I'll show you 2 hands, just playing the same note. So so that's literally how the introduction goes. Obviously, it's done faster than that, but once you can do it slowly, you can increase it to whatever tempo you want to play that. So what am I playing there? Both hands are playing a 3, both hands playing a 6, both hands playing a 7. Then I'm playing this chord over here, where left hand's doing a 6 octave, but you can leave out the bottom octave and just do the 6 up here, right? But right hand, it's going to be easier for you to do it this way, right? Where right hand is playing a 1, 3, 6, 1. But if that's a bit too much for you, obviously you can make your left hand play the 6, 1, and right hand just play a 3, 6, 1. Because the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna have to drop the left hand. Left hand's gonna drop from a 6 to a 6 flat. Then on the right hand, that 3, 6, 1 is going to drop to a 3, 6 flat 1. But that 1 here still stays. So you're playing that chord over there. That's the reason, but it's the reason why I say it'll be easier if you're just playing that with your right hand, because then you only just need to worry about moving this one note, right? And then your left hand just focuses on going, right? So, because you're playing this, right? But obviously if you're choosing to do it this way, there's more that you need to think about. But if you can't do the stretch, then it's fine. You can practice doing it this way, right? But you are moving. You're playing the entire chord again as you're moving, but most of your notes are staying the same. So just to recap on the introduction, it's like that. Next, and this is the next section of the introduction. Left hand's now doing a 5 flat 1, right hand's doing a 3, 6, 2. Then you play a 6 again. Now left hand's playing a 5, 7, right hand's doing a 2, 5, 7. Now left hand's doing a 7, 2, right hand's doing a 5, 6, 2. We can keep it simple like this. Left hand's doing a 3, 1, right hand's doing a 5, 1, 3. So I was just contemplating whether to add this 3 or not. You can add it, you can not, it's fine. It just adds a little bit more, but it's not necessary. Right? Then we go 5. Now left hand's doing a 4 octave, while right hand's doing a 6, 1, 3, 6. Now left hand's doing a 5, 4, 5, and right hand's going to a 6, 1, 4, 6, no, 5. Now right hand's ending on a 1, 5, and while left hand plays that 1, 5, right hand is going to be playing a 7, 2, 3, 5. But how I like to do it over here is I like to walk it down instead of like just playing the chord. I walk it down from the top notes all the way to the bottom notes. So, right, so that's introduction. we're off to the next section, which is the verse. So the verse kind of sounds exactly like the introduction. So if you listen to the mid lines, it's da 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 da. Right. So you're playing a da 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 especially like the ending part. The last three notes are the exact same as the introduction, but then for the beginning parts, you're doing a 3, 6, 7. Left hand's doing a 6, right hand's doing a 3, 6, 1 as in the introduction. You do a 5, 2. You can do this over here, which is a 1, 6. Alright, now left hand's doing a 5, 7 as introduction, and right hand's doing a 2, 5, 7. Then we're doing a you can leave out the 1 because it's just a 2, 5. And then this is as you did it in the introduction, so I'm not gonna go spend too much time in there. So yeah, the verse parts, chorus parts, it's kind of intertwined, so I'll just put those two timestamps together because it's pretty much the same thing. The important part which you need to know next is the I call it the pre-chorus. So I'm not really sure, they haven't really put out the lyrics for the song, so I'm not really sure what they call it, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to call it the pre-chorus, and that's a part that sounds something like this. Right, so it sounds like this right, so left hand's doing a 4, 1, 4, right hand's doing a 6, 1, 4. Now left hand's doing a 5, 4, right hand's doing a 5, 7, 3. Then left hand's doing a 1, 5, 1, right hand's doing a 2, 3, 5, 1. So again. Right, then you repeat it again, then a third time. They do it 3 times, and now we go to the chorus. So even like this part, I'm gonna put it together because the pre-chorus and the chorus, you pretty much playing it around the same time. Because the chorus goes like this: uJesu, uJesu. So this chorus part, how does that go? It goes, left hand's playing a 1, right hand's playing a 5, 1, 3. Left hand's playing a 3, 5, right hand's playing a 1, 2, 5. Left hand's doing a 4 octave, right hand's doing a 6, 1, 3, 6. Left hand's now doing a 5 flat, 2, 5 flat. Right hand's doing a 6, 2, 3, 5 flat, 6. Very big chord over here, but I guess you can break it down and just play a 6, 2, 6 if you want. I'm just adding the 3 and 5 flat because it makes it feel more whole as a chord. Then the next chord you play, left hand's doing a 5, 2, 5. On the left hand, right hand's doing a 7, 2, 5, 7. Alright, then now we're playing this chord 2 times. Right hand's playing a 6 flat, 1, 2, 4. 2 times. Then left hand's playing a 1-5-1, right hand's playing a 3-5-7-3. Then while you're holding that 1-5 in your left hand, right hand's gonna play a 6-1-2-4. Then we're resolving it to a normal 1, where left hand's staying a 1-5, right hand's doing a 1-2-3-5. Right. So that there is the chorus section. Now I'll just quickly do the vamp. So eventually it goes to a part like a da 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 Then, because it just repeats that, then eventually goes back to uJesu, uJesu. Right. So what are we playing here? Left hand's doing a 4 octave, right hand's doing a 6-1, 6-1-4-6. Now left hand's doing a 2-5-2, right hand's doing a 7-2-5-7. Then we're doing a 6 chord. So left hand's doing a 6-3-6, right hand's doing a 7-1-3-5. So we're doing a 4-5-6, 4-5-6. Then uJesu, 4, uJe, 5 flat, 5, 1/7. Or is it like a 7/1? Or you can say like a 5/1. It's actually more of a 5 with the added. Yeah, that's literally how that chord looks. That's your 5, and you're adding the. Okay, it depends on how you look at it actually. But anyways, let's just recap. That's literally the entire song there. Let's just recap it from the chorus or the pre-chorus. So you're playing. Okay, what am I playing there? So, uJesu, I show you I'm playing this 5 flat to the 5, right? So, from the 4, before we go to the 5 flat, I do this 6 flat, 5 flat, right? 6 flat, 5 flat. Then that's when I play that big chord over there. 5 flat octave, left hand, right hand 6, 2, 3, 5 flat, 6. So uJesu, uJesu. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed that tutorial there. And until next time guys, stay blessed.